My dearest kids, warm greetings to you all. I heartily welcome you to the fifth day, that is, the last day for this lesson. Today, herewith I am attaching the questions to you. Every one of you should write and submit it, and the marks would be awarded to every child. If you have not submitted, then steps would be taken. We can continue our solved problems given in the text, and then let's complete the textual exercise also. Thanks for your cooperation. Thank you, children. Dear children, shall we see the molecules? We are going to calculate the number of atoms if an atom is given, or else we are going to find out the number of molecules if a molecule is given. Now let's step into the problem. Let me read out the problem which is displayed on the screen. Calculate the number of molecules in 11.2 liter of carbon dioxide at STP. Carbon dioxide is a molecule. You are going to calculate the number of molecules. Shall we see the problem now? Calculation based on number of atoms or molecules. We have seen that. I have read the problem also. Now let's write the given data. What is the given data? It is 11.2 liters of carbon dioxide at STP. So, the given data is volume of carbon dioxide at STP is 11.2 liters. I have written here. First step, we are going to find out the number of moles of carbon dioxide. Then we are going to find out the number of molecules. Number of molecules of carbon dioxide you are going to find out. First step, number of moles. Number of moles of carbon dioxide. Since the volume is given, liter it is, volume is given. The formula would be volume of that gas at STP divided by molar volume of that gas at STP. What is the given volume? 11.2. Molar volume of all gases at STP is 22.4 liters. So I have substituted here. Cancelling and simplifying, you will be getting half. That is 0.5 moles. So you have calculated the number of moles in the first step. Now you are going to substitute in the another formula to find out the number of molecules of carbon dioxide. Number of molecules of carbon dioxide is equal to number of moles of carbon dioxide into Avogadro's number. Number of moles of carbon dioxide into Avogadro's number, which is equal to 0.5. Number of moles 0.5 we have found out, into Avogadro's number is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 number of molecules. So you would be getting 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of carbon dioxide. Thank you, children. Children, shall we see the next problem? Calculate the number of atoms present in 1 gram of gold. Atomic mass of gold is 198. Now, let's see how to solve this. Children, already I have read out the problem. Here, what are the given datas? Mass of gold is 1 gram and the atomic mass of gold is 198. Two datas were given in the problem itself. First step, you are going to find out number of moles. Number of moles is equal to given mass by atomic mass. Then the next step is you are going to find out the number of atoms of gold, because in the question it is asked calculate the number of atoms present in 1 gram of gold. So you are going to calculate the number of atoms of gold in 1 gram, that is mass of gold is 1 gram, given data. So number of atoms of gold is equal to given mass of gold into Avogadro number divided by atomic mass of gold. So what is the given data? Given mass of gold 1 gram. I have substituted here. What is the atomic mass of gold? 198. Here I have substituted. Into what is the Avogadro number? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So rearranging, I am getting like this: 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by 198. Now I am getting 10 to the power of 23 this side. So this will become 10 to the power of 21 here. 6.023 into 100 into 10 to the power of 21 divided by 198. So when you simplify it, you would be getting 3.042 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of gold. Thank you, children. Dear children, shall we see the next problem? Calculate the number of molecules in 54 gram of water. Here we are going to find out the number of molecules of water. The given mass is 54 gram. Shall we see the problem? Calculate the number of molecules in 54 gram of water. So, since we are going to find out the number of molecules, the formula is number of molecules is equal to given mass into Avogadro's number divided by gram molecular mass. Let's see what are the datas. Given data is given mass of water. What is it? Given mass 54 gram. So 54 gram I have written. Now you are going to find out the gram molecular mass of water. Already we have solved this many times. Gram molecular mass of water is equal to, since there are two atoms, I have written 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 2 into 1 plus only one atom of oxygen. So 1 into atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 1 into 16. When you add both, you would be getting 18 gram. We all know that the value of Avogadro's number is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. We are substituting all the datas in the above formula. Then we will be getting number of molecules of water is equal to given mass is 54 into Avogadro's number is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by gram molar mass of water is 18. I have substituted all the data here in this formula. Now, when you simplify it, this will go 3 times and this will go 1 time. So, 3 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 is equal to 18.069 into 10 to the power of 23. So, number of molecules of water is equal to 18.069 into 10 to the power of 23. Thank you, children.